So we got this robot vacuum and had it for about a week now. We've been running it every day. I think we missed one day, so there's a little gap there. But I just thought it'd be a good time to do a video. I'm so incredibly impressed with this unit. It's not a Roomba or a Shark or any of the bigger names. It's a name that I've never heard before. It's a Kyvol, Kyvol, and it's so far worked beyond expectations. Having said that, I see why it has so many good reviews on Amazon. What can I say? Battery lasts really long. On minimum mode, it's like well over 2 hours. Now, when I say minimum mode, the suction, because you can control it, minimum, medium, and high. And it just goes along, does its job. The dust bin, or dirt bin, whatever you call it, is it's full almost after every time it runs. And our house does not seem dirty to me, but I guess this guy is really making it clean. So I'm curious to see how many days in a row I can run it, and it continues to keep filling up the dustbin. So I have to think after a week, or say 2 weeks, 3 weeks, our house will probably be a lot cleaner than it ever was. We vacuum regular, but I guess having this guy running every day just does a more supreme job. So anyways, so far 2 thumbs up. I'd highly recommend this machine, and as I say, it's a Kyvol. You know what, let me find the box. Here it is, Kyvol Cybovac, robot vacuum cleaner. And boy, there you go. It's pretty powerful. That's the suction rating, 2000 PA, and there's the model number, E20. Super impressed. If it was junk, I wouldn't be doing this video, but yeah. So anyways, if there's any other updates, if it fails, I will make a video, since I started this one, and we'll keep things honest. Okay, bye for now.